Hello friends, welcome to our channel Universal Pahaji. We are back with our Back to Basics motivational story time. Today, we're going to discuss a story, You Cannot Paint the Word Green. Once upon a time, there was a millionaire who was bothered by two problems. One, pain in his stomach, and the other, pain in his head. He was diagnosed and treated by a galaxy of medical experts. He consumed heavy loads of drugs and underwent centuries of injections. But the pain persisted with greater vigor than ever before. At last, a monk arrived at the scene of his agony. He spoke very kindly to him and pronounced the fault to be in his eye. Set right the eye and the head on top and stomach below would both behave very sweetly. To improve the eye, concentrate on only one color. Concentrate on green, he suggested. Do not let your eye fall on red or yellow or any other color. The rich man was surprised. He got together a group of painters and purchased barrels of green color and directed that every object on which his eye was likely to fall be painted thick green. He started improving and he was happy with it. When the monk came to visit him after a few days, the wealthy man's servant ran with buckets of green paint and poured everything on him since he was in red dress. They did not want their master see any other color and the pain in his eye would come back. Hearing this, the monk laughed and said, "If only you had purchased a pair of green glasses worth just a few dollars, you could have saved these walls, trees, pots, pans, chairs and sofas and all other things. You could have saved a pretty large share of your fortune. You cannot paint the word green." So, what we concluded, the moral of the story is, be the change that you wish to see in the world. Let us change our vision and the world will appear accordingly. It is foolish to shape the world. Let us shape ourselves first. I hope you have liked this video and you have liked this story. Please click on like button if you have enjoyed the story and subscribe to our channel if you are coming here for the first time, because it motivates us to bring more and more content for you guys. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.